Oh, we've made it. We made it. Casino Delmare. We are. Let's take a walk inside. All good. There's the casino. Look like mini dancing drums. Let me get this thing working. So there's the entrance right there where we just came in. Treasure Lounge, you ready?
It's pointing down.
Okay. Let me restart it. Don't need a player's card here, huh?
I don't think so. This one has a higher max.
$5.
Oh, yeah, it's a little bit higher than the one at.
So those look like little dancing drums, like small ones. There's the entrance where we just came in, so lightning link. Excuse us. All good. And this is her game, the diamond game that we won at.
I like it.
Yeah. Here, we walk in front. Yeah. Table games. Oh, they got old school buffalo here. Oh, and wild panda. Might have to play that. Pompeii, Sun Moon. They got, it's like a new version though, these ones.
Yeah.
Those are table games in the middle. And they do have a long craps table, but it doesn't look like it's open. Either way, we don't play craps. We're not doing too good on. Not too good on craps.
No craps right now.
It's very well lit in here.
Yeah. Not when we came here before.
Watch. Oh, the old ones. Those are the old ones that are more likely to win because yesterday we played the newer version.
That dark like right over there.
Oh yeah, I remember. And then the lady won a lot of money over here.
It's darker.
Hey. Ah, yeah, I remember.
Oh, what is that? That's new.
That wasn't open last time.
No.
So I remember them playing, some lady playing this and winning. What's this? Wow. Cool.
Ooh, wolf run.
Ooh, it does look newer. Yeah.
Look.
Thundercat. Oh, the older version, I think.
Are these the older version?
I don't know. We might have to try to
Are
play
we at
them.
a high limit? Because these are dollars.
Is it?
And $5.
So $5 minimum?
So this is their high limit.
Still recording? Let me make sure it's still recording. Yes, it is. All right, let's go. Wild Strike. Cool. I like how they have a lot of older games. Like yeah, mixture of old, new, every little everything. A high limit's over here. See, they have a lot of these older Prosperity Link style video games. Or not video games. Or smaller machines. Call attendant. Call attendant. Did I see your phone, love? Hello? Attendant? Attendant? Buffalo triple power. I don't know. How much is it? That's a good win. It's a good win. For 88-cent bet, he won how much? Like 300? Wow, okay, it's good to know. What is these? The Bumblebee games? And then behind you is the Chili Chili Hot Rush.
Chili chili fire.
Let's go look at their table game, their craps to see what their minimum is. Jewel of the Dragon. Okay. A lot of more mummies, and then they have all your games over there. They know you're coming. Okay, let's see how much the minimum is over here.
25. Oh, $5 minimum.
$5 minimum?
$5 minimum.
What?
When is it open?
I know, right?
We said we're not gonna play craps. When does it open?
$5, that's good. Okay. Yeah, old Game Kings. Oh, for all the people that love the old school stuff. Game King, Ultimate Poker. Do they have 10, 10, 10, 5 play, 10 play? Oh, okay.
So it's non-smoking in here. You can smoke out there.
Ah, good to know. Good to know. This is some stage. There's your table game still on the right.
So is this as big as Foxwood?
Foxwoods seems like it's a tad bit bigger and taller.
Because of all the, what do you call it? The mirrors.
Yeah, true. I hate it too. I hate Cashman games. I hate it almost as much as
So wow for
I hate firecracker games.
But you play it all the time now.
Yeah.
Alright, are we go?
Yeah, let's go find a game to play.
Let's go find a game to play.
Let's just walk back and then I'm gonna end the walk-in tour and then start our video.
Let's go. What are we playing?
I wanna play the old school Ainsworth games.
Over at the
Anyway, and Buffalo. I wanna try Buffalo here.
on the dollar? On the high limit or on a penny?
I wanna try the old school Buffalo over here. I'm not sure if it's penny. I think it's penny. Let's just walk back around this way and start off with Buffalo. Can we do that?
Sure. Let's do it.
Ooh, they should ask them what time the table opens.
Let's see.
22 minutes. $5 table. I guess we might be playing. Maybe.
No, we'll see. If we
Okay.
win on the slot, let's play. If we
Okay.
don't, then let's not.
All right. Sounds good.
Here we go.
Where'd the Buffalo game go? It's on the other, back there. Yeah, let's go back there. Okay, we're gonna go play some old games. Thanks for tuning in, everybody.